Hey everyone, today I'm diving into some unbelievable food hacks that seem way too good to be true. Let's see if they actually work. We all know the struggle of standing in front of the fridge, staring at those wilted veggies, wondering, what now? Food waste is a real problem. It's not just about the money, but the time and effort we put into meal planning and prep. One of my favorite food hacks is using a muffin tin to cook perfect eggs. Just crack an egg into each muffin cup, add a splash of milk and a sprinkle of cheese, then bake until set. It's quick, easy, and delicious. Next up, peeling garlic can be such a pain, right? Well, grab a potato peeler. Just place the garlic clove under the peeler and pull it towards you. The skin comes right off. So simple. And for all you strawberry lovers, here's a neat trick. Use a straw to hull strawberries. Insert the straw into the top of the strawberry, twist, and the leaves pop right off. Another win in the kitchen. Now, one of the most impressive hacks I've found is using a blowtorch to caramelize sugar on creme brulee. It's easier than the broiler and gives a perfect, even caramelization. Game changer for sure, and if you've ever struggled with cooking rice, this hack will save you. Use a microwave. Add rice and water to a microwave-safe bowl, cover with a plate, and cook on high for 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect rice every time. So we've covered some amazing food hacks today. From cooking eggs in a muffin tin to using a blowtorch for creme brulee, these tips can make your kitchen life so much easier. Got a favorite food hack? Share it with us in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other video on kitchen essentials for more cooking tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.